Which animal uses ink to protect itself? Squid, starfish, jellyfish. Squid.
Raindrops fall around.
Which animal can climb trees easily? Panda, tiger, monkey.
Raindrops dance on every tree.
Monkey. Which animal can see in complete darkness better than humans?
Owls are gray but hearts light up. With every drop
goat.
that's in our cup, streetlights glow in the misty night.
Cat.
Raindrops shining gentle light.
Which animal uses its tail for balance while jumping? Camel, kangaroo, goat.
Bring your song so wild and free.
Kangaroo.
Splash a melody. Raindrops dance in harmony. Fog from the
Which
rainy
animal
air.
has the
Leaves
loudest
are
roar?
swaying without a care.
Lion.
We are skipping through the rain.
Tiger, howler monkey.
Laughter echoes up the lane.
Howler monkey.
Hold my hand and
Which
let's
animal
go
can fly backwards?
to a world
Eagle,
where raindrops
hummingbird.
show.
Crow.
Every step a joyful beat. Raindrops make our fun complete.
Hummingbird.
Oh, raindrops fall, come play with me.
Which animal is called the gentle
Bring
giant
your
of the sea?
song so wild and
Dolphin.
free.
Shark.
Every
Whale
splash a melody. Raindrops dance in harmony.
Whale shark. Which animal changes skin color for
Leaves us swaying
camouflage?
without
Shark.
a care. Feet are skipping through the
Octopus.
rain.
Starfish.
Laughter echoes up the lane.
Octopus.
Hold my hand and let's go.
Game over.